Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access phone modes in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, where to find it? Settings, modes and routines. Here. Now, we have a few default options. We can, of course, add more. But let's say we want to set up driving. Start. What do we want to do? We can automatically connect our car audio to our phone. We don't have any Bluetooth connected at this moment. Let's connect automatically. Next. Yes, we want do not disturb. We are driving, of course. Few options more. Applications, calls, messages. Done. Next. Yes. Choose what to do in driving mode. Let's say, and we have a few more options to choose from. Done. And our driving mode is now customized and can be turned on pretty fast. That's all. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.